Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Instinct V2 in Blox Fruits. This powerful upgrade significantly enhances your combat abilities, offering a major advantage in battles. To begin, you'll need to have Instinct V1 and accumulate 5,000 experience points with it. We'll also cover the specific quests you must complete and the substantial in-game currency required to unlock this advanced skill. Let's dive into the details. Before you can unlock Instinct V2, several key requirements must be met. First, ensure your character has reached at least level 1,800. Next, you'll need to obtain the Musketeer hat, which is a reward for completing the Citizen quest. Finally, gather 5 million bali and 5,000 fragments, as these are crucial for purchasing the upgrade once all other tasks are done. Meeting these prerequisites is essential for your journey. The path to Instinct V2 involves two main quest lines. First, complete the Citizen quest by defeating 50 forest pirates and then the Captain Elephant boss. After that, you'll embark on the Hungry Man quest. He will ask you to find 3 specific fruits, an apple, a banana, and a pineapple, scattered across different locations. Once collected, return to the Citizen, who will combine these fruits into a bowl for the Hungry Man. These steps are vital for progression. With the fruit bowl in hand, return to the Hungry Man and present him with the meal. After this, you can finally purchase Instinct V2 for 5 million bali and 5,000 fragments. Once unlocked, you'll experience incredible benefits, including a faster dodge recharge time, a larger detection range, and clearer vision during combat. You'll also see opponents' levels and equipped items, giving you a significant advantage. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.